Hey, I'm Martin. I'm leading the data engineering and data science team at Project A. What we do is that we help our portfolio companies building data-driven applications. And that means often building a classic data warehouse, so where all the data of a company is put into one place. But also it means building tools on top of that, for example, for pricing, or for marketing automation, or for predicting user behavior. What makes this interesting is that we get to work with many different of our portfolio companies, often even at the same time. So we get to see different business models, different tech stacks, and different company cultures. So I think the learning curve here is, I think, a lot higher than if you would work in a single startup. And also, I think this is what makes us quite fast. So many things or many problems that we see, we already solved in a different project, and so we can easily transfer that from a previous project to a new portfolio company. We are a bit conservative in the technologies that we pick, because everything that we build, we eventually have to hand over to a small team or often even a single person in our ventures. And that's why in almost none of our portfolio companies we have a Hadoop cluster running or a Spark installation, which would require a huge DevOps team. And so we think the simpler the technology, the easier it is to learn and maintain. In terms of tech stack, we like open source, and also we use Postgres for most of our data integration work. In the past years, we gained quite some experience in dealing with complexity and in structuring ETLs. And if you're interested, in the description below, we link a talk I gave in 2017 at the Crunch conference in Budapest on patterns for designing ETLs with Postgres. For orchestrating SQL and Python scripts, we intentionally don't use Airflow because we think it's too complex for the use cases that our portfolio companies have. And we rather use something simpler that tries to hit the sweet spot between simple scripts and Airflow. And we're doing this quite successfully with over 20 of our portfolio companies so far. And also we open sourced this recently under the name of Mara. And you can look at it at a link in the description below. So as you see, the stuff that we do is quite broad, but all of this involves building stuff. So I'm looking for people who are really good in writing good software, but additionally also bring some background in statistics and machine learning. I find all of this very interesting, and I'd be very happy to find more people who are willing to work with us on this.